Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, you will get complete details of subscription, the new process step by step to subscribe O Connect. Also, you will get information about the new payout system and many information, the precautions to be taken and many things. So stay tuned. Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. Now my dear friend, first let us understand how much you have to subscribe, what is the subscription model. OConnect, you know, it is a AI powered web conferencing tool and the introductory offer, quarterly price for 10,000 attendees. It is per month $125 for 3 months, $375, but everybody is getting 1 month free. And as a founders, we got refund of $97. We have joined the ecosystem. Everybody got a bonus of $10, that is 10 O coin. So as a founder, we have to balance, we have to pay $143 for 3 months subscription. And non-founders from the general public, they have to pay $240, my dear friend. So if you are a founder, please check that your wallet balance, current wallet balance $107, okay? So balance 143. When you are paying, when you are confirming, please check that, okay? Otherwise, you are subscribing as a non-founders. Now, my dear friend, the most exciting thing is about payout. OConnect commission structure is totally unique. On first sale itself is a 100% commission, you will get it. And subsequent sales 25%. So on first sale itself you will have a break even, okay, and subsequent sale it is your profit. And my dear friend, will get the weekly payout, okay. The new payout system, it will be weekly and bulk clearance will be there. Whatever the backlog is, that will be cleared. After that, this will be in operation, okay. And for payout you have to fill the form, you have to fulfill the norms, okay, KYC. And you know, verify will come, after that it will be linked. And the weekly payout limit, minimum $100, maximum $25,000, my dear friend, okay. Now for subscription, please, there are some important information. See, you can pay through crypto and card payment. We'll discuss about the card payment system in this video. So you can pay through Master Visa card. It should be USD enabled, US dollar enabled. And if you are paying from the same card, multiple account, please give time gap at least 1 hour, my dear friend, okay. And now, my dear friend, we'll discuss in details the new process of subscription step by step, okay. That is some changes are there. First, log into ecosystem, then go to marketplace. Once you click the marketplace, you will find the OConnect logo. Click get it now. Once you do that, click to subscribe. You will find that options card or crypto, okay, card tick mark. Click on confirm order. Click on continue to pay. Once you click continue to pay, the page will open. So you have to enter your card details, card holder name, through which card you are paying. So card holder name, okay. Then card number, you have to give the expiry date, CVV number and you have to fill your address. Also, zip code is there. See, zip code is nothing but a postal code. Okay, in India, like you give the pin code. Okay, so please fill the form. Then click on pay. Once you click that, no, OTP will come to your registered mobile number of your card. Okay, so have your OTP from bank, from where you have procured the card. Okay, so that OTP you have to give. Then once you enter that, click on submit. Then your payment will be successful, and you can download your invoice. Please download your invoice for future reference. Okay, and my dear friend, the details of payout, once your commission is above 100, currently if one sale is there, you will get more than 100. Okay, so you can give request for payout. You have to fill the form, all the bank details, everything you have to provide, and that will be initiated and you will get the payment. Okay, this is the total paying and payout system. That's all in this video. Hope this is useful to many. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thank you.